Hey everyone, this is Luca at the DeSoto Public Library. I'm Ms. Janelle Notice's assistant, and this is Home Crafts at the DeSoto Public Library, which you can also do at your house. And today we have a nice craft. I think it'll really light up your house. Let's get started. Alright, so today we are making paper lanterns, Japanese style paper lanterns. It's really simple and easy, and it's only like 4 or 5 steps. So you can get it done real quick. So what you're gonna need is 2 sheets of construction paper, any color, doesn't matter. Scissors, a stapler, and that's it. Okay, so what you want to do first is grab any sheet of construction paper, doesn't really matter, and just cut off one edge from the long side, like one little strip. If you want to be professional about it, you can just like measure out how how wide you want the edge strip to be. I'm not gonna do that, so we're just gonna cut it right here, like that. Oops. Yeah, so try to get the cut straight, but if it's not straight, that's okay too. Alright, so we're gonna put this to the side for the moment. And with your other sheet of construction paper, you're gonna wanna fold it in half, like so it makes a long skinny rectangle, and just fold that crease down. Alright, what you're gonna do next is grab the scissors again, and you're gonna cut on the closed side, this side right here. Don't cut all the way through, you're gonna wanna leave like maybe an inch, half an inch of room left. So we're just gonna get to cutting. Now you can make these as wide and skinny as you want, but if you make them skinnier, it'll show a lot more in the lantern, like the insides. So I am gonna do mine kind of skinny. Alright, cool. And once you have that done, you should get something like this. What you're gonna wanna do next is fold it the other way. Cool, you should get something like this. You can smush it in or out, and you get like this cool like flower design type of thing. Alright, after that you're gonna wanna line the edges up, or try to line them up. And with a stapler, staple them together like this. Now if you don't have a stapler, you can always use tape to tape it together. That'll work too. So try to get them lined up as close as you can and staple them here. Yeah, so you get this now. Afterwards, you're gonna get your other sheet of construction paper, the one you put to the side, and roll it up. Roll it up to where it'll fit in this circle right here. So about that wide. Don't let it expand halfway through the thing. Try to keep it shut, or else you'll get like some difficulty like this. So when that happens, just like pull it right back out. Roll it up again. And put it in there, and voila, yeah. Just let it expand. There you go. Now, in order to get that to stay inside, you're going to need a stapler again. Line it up and just staple it in there. Easy as that. Do the same for the bottom. And yeah, you have a paper lantern. Oh. One last thing, that strip we cut earlier, we're finally going to use it. It's really just a handle that will look cooler on the inside. So we're just going to staple it in. Be easier if we did it like that. Okay. like I said, if you don't have a stapler, just use some tape. Trust me, it's not gonna look great. You can hang it in your house somewhere. You know, show it off to your mom or dad or older sibling, grandma, grandpa, anyone. And yeah, now you have a paper lantern that's in Japanese style. Okay, yeah. Ooh, a bonus step, if you have a glow stick, you can put them on the inside to really make it glow. Yeah, that's it. Go crazy, kids. All right, bye. Y'all have fun.